How to find someone in Discord. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So in this video, we're going to discuss about finding someone on Discord. First, you need to go ahead and ask the person you want to add for their username. They can find it by clicking their name in the bottom left corner of the Discord. And to add them, click on Add Friend option, which you will find in the Direct Messages section. Tap on Add Friend, and here you need to simply enter the username and tap on Send Friend Request, and you'll be able to send them a friend request and add them as a friend on Discord. So if that does not work, open Discord and click on the settings or the user settings over here. Then on the left side, find and click on the advanced section. Go ahead and tap on that. Now you will see the developer mode. Simply go ahead and make sure that it is turned on and send a message to anyone that you prefer. Right click on your profile and tap on copy user ID. Once you do that, open a new tab and search for Discord ID lookup. Paste the user ID and click on lookup, and you will see their username and details. Copy the username and send them a friend request. So that's how you can find someone on Discord. So if you found this guide helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.